Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to fix Audi A3 glove box. Start by opening the glove box and inspecting hinges, latch, and plastic clips for damage or wear. Take photos before removal so reassembly is easier and faster. Keep small parts organized in labeled containers and test the latch mechanism frequently during the repair to avoid surprises later. Begin by fully lowering the glove box and locating retaining screws and hidden clips behind the liner. Use a Phillips screwdriver and a trim tool to release clips without cracking the plastic. Remove the dampener arm by sliding it off its pin or unhooking the clip, depending on your model. Keep parts organized and labeled so reassembly matches original positions and functions smoothly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that double as perfect parts organizers for screws, clips, and bolts during a glove box fix. They seal tight, stack neatly, and keep tiny pieces from rolling away. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Assess each component and decide whether repair or replacement works best for longevity. Swap broken clips for OEM or stronger aftermarket clips and replace cracked hinges with exact fit parts. Lubricate moving points lightly with silicone grease and test the latch, hinge, and dampener repeatedly before final assembly. Reinstall screws snugly, but avoid over-torquing plastic threads to prevent new damage or split housings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.